Created with free version for non-commercial use.
Extraordinary discovery.
Medical experts are calling this the holy grail of health for all those suffering with high blood sugar.
They are now warning this natural daily blood sugar trick may be too powerful and cause too rapid weight loss.
Over the last 3 days, we've had reports of hundreds of people whose doctors have advised they can come off their medication or insulin.
Our team fully believe that this natural solution is most certainly the safest and best option to reset blood sugar levels and lower body fat in a very short space of time.
It's now confirmed over 193,000 Americans are now using this discovery every day with incredible success.
Yes, definitely. This looks like it is the answer to millions of people's prayers.
The following story is very painful and embarrassing for me to tell, but God has given me the courage to do so. Because what happened next saved my life, the lives of tens of thousands of men and women around the world, and could save yours too. Where I would go on a dramatic journey to discover a breakthrough pinch method,
Created
so
with free version for non-commercial
it's never
use.
been revealed until today. And so powerful, it's scientifically proven to target the real root cause of your unbalanced blood sugar, increasing belly fat, and premature aging. That, as you'll see, has nothing to do with genetics, age, family history, or even eating too much sugar or carbs. This shockingly simple, effortless pinch method, known only to the inhabitants of a tiny mountainous Mongolian village, gets to work within minutes to rapidly and completely reset blood sugar levels. And after years of failed diets and feeling hopeless, in just weeks, miraculously healed every single symptom of high blood sugar, melting away 74 pounds of ugly, sugary fat in the process. Going from this to this, my blood sugar reading a healthy 117, saving me from the imminent threat of heart disease and vision loss, relieving me from the stabbing nerve pain in my feet and legs, and restoring my youthful energy, hope, sex drive, and zest for life
Created
that
with
I
free
thought
version
I would
for
never
non-commercial
enjoy
use.
again. My doctor giving me the all clear to throw my medications, test strips, and glucose readers in the trash, leaving world-renowned professors and research departments speechless, and every person with high blood sugar desperate to know my secret. And not just me, my wife Maria used this method herself this morning to balance her blood sugar levels too. I watched in amazement as she torched away 2 pounds the very first night. And in the weeks that followed, her confidence-robbing cellulite vanished as she suddenly lost 37 pounds of toxic, sugary fat from all over her belly, arms, face, hips, and thighs. And yes, she still ate all her favorite foods like brownies, pizza, cheesecake, and ice cream to become this sexy, gorgeous, and pain-free woman I am proud to call my wife today. Free from her unbearable stress, anxiety, and depression. Yes, as unbelievable as it's
Created with free version for non-commercial use.